Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. Today I'm in my soft white set. It's one of my absolute favorites. It fits like a second skin, smooth and light, just the way I like it. And maybe that's why I feel like bringing the same energy to this space today. This glass wall, yeah, it's back again. I've cleaned it before, but something about it keeps calling me back. Maybe it's the way it reflects the morning light, or the way I can see my own movements in it, graceful and slow. There's something meditative about it. Spray, wipe, breathe. It's like a little dance. My hands move on instinct now, like they already know where the smudges are. I love how I can see every little streak disappear under my cloth. How it slowly turns from dull to shining. It's not just about cleaning. It's about control, intention, rhythm. And honestly, I like taking my time, going over the edges again and again, letting my body stretch naturally with every movement. I feel it in my arms, my back, even in my thighs. It's not a workout, but it makes me feel alive. Sometimes I lean in closer, let the fabric brush just slightly against the glass. And I can't help but smile at the little marks I leave behind, only to wipe them away again a second later. There's something sexy in that, not showing off, just being present, completely. This little routine became something more for me. It's not just about keeping things tidy, it's about tuning in with myself, finding pleasure in the little things, in the softness of the cloth, in the cool feel of the spray on my skin, in the way my hips shift when I reach high or bend down. I know, it might sound silly, but these moments matter. They're simple, they're real, and they remind me that I don't need much to feel good in my own space. Just a little quiet, a little movement, and a glass wall that always needs just one more touch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, and follow me for more. See you in the next video. It's gonna be even more fun. Bye bye from Alexa.